Python full-stack developers are the architects of the digital landscape, bridging the gap between front-end user interfaces and back-end server logic to create dynamic, robust, and scalable websites and applications. Software development with Python focuses on data and artificial intelligence and leverages Python's extensive libraries and frameworks for data manipulation and machine learning. Our Python full-stack developer program gives you the skills and tools to become a job-ready Python full-stack developer in just 8 months, even without any prior experience. During the program, you'll gain proficiency in fundamental programming concepts and web development with Python, Django, and Flask. You'll also learn how to use essential tools and technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, and cloud services such as Microsoft Azure. Our proprietary JET design methodology combines frontal lectures, cutting-edge content, hands-on practice, and soft skills development to ensure that you get an engaging and effective tech training. Our program features bring-it-together projects where you'll implement the knowledge and skills you've learned in a real-life, hands-on coding project. You'll develop a complete application with cloud integration and a React-based client side. At Wawiwa, we're committed to provide training that results in employability. That's why our Python full-stack developer program is always up to date with the latest industry trends and practices. We'll make every effort to get you a great job as a full-stack developer right after graduation. So if you're looking for an exciting career in technology, take the fast track to tech and join our Python full-stack developer program.